How to tag people on Instagram post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Instagram. I will show you by making a post first. Tap on the plus icon and then simply select a photo or video that you want to post from your gallery or your album. Simply, I am using this photo. Now go to next. Tap on next again. Now in order to tag people, here you will find this button, tag people. Now tap the photo and then all you have to do is write @ or write the name of the person like this and then tick and then simply share it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.